We're an airport consultancy that works in all areas of airport development. So we work on very early stage master planning, feasibility studies, transaction advisory, all the way through to engineering design, architectural and systems development, all the way into operational advisory services for airports. The company's been doing this for more than 75 years. We've worked at more than 600 airports in more than 100 countries around the world. So we first got involved with the Cape Winelands Airport project in 2019 when we started working on the land use plan for the team. This was still in the very early stages of their development, and we tried to work with the team to figure out what exactly do they want to do, where do they want this airport to go. And since then we've been involved with various other studies, both for the EIA, the environmental impact assessment, as well as technical studies, and now we're working on the master plan. Yeah, it's a very unique development. There are not many of these kinds around, which is why it's also very excited to work on it. One of the benefits is obviously that this airport will offer an alternative for diversions. So aircraft flying into Cape Town International, for some reason, are not able to land there. They can now divert to the Cape Winelands Airport instead of having to fly on or back to Joburg or Port Elizabeth or any other airport. So that's a huge benefit to the industry, to the airlines, and therefore also to the passengers. The airport also offers additional capacity into the, let's say, the multi-airport system that it will be for Cape Town. So that's really good because it creates more options for passengers, it creates more options for airlines, and it also offers an opportunity for a differentiated service offering. So this airport can offer something different from Cape Town International, and that's just a good passenger choice to have. Well, the airport is located on the edge of the city and in a relatively undeveloped area of the city, so it offers a real good opportunity for the airport, together with the neighboring landowners and the local government, to work together and really shape this area to maximize the benefits of the airport for the wider economy, for the communities surrounding it, and to minimize any potential disruptions, both in terms of noise or in terms of traffic or what have you. So this is a really unique opportunity to shape this airport and to shape this development in the urban context that it finds itself in, and to make it work for everyone. The city of Cape Town, but also Paarl and Wellington, are developing in the direction of this airport. So the airport is located close to the action, close to the economic activity, and it will certainly drive more of that economic activity and generate employment opportunities and generate activity in the area that will definitely benefit local communities, both from a labor point of view, creating jobs, creating employment, and also from an infrastructure point of view. Well, starting an airport development like this from a blank sheet of paper, if you like, really offers an opportunity to apply all the latest standards, the latest insights, and to use the latest technology and really set it right from the start and make a very efficient and of course a very safe and pleasant airport by design, so that you have a very good experience from the start, but also that you can grow into the future. So what we're doing as part of the master plan is trying to see how we optimally configure all of the facilities and infrastructure on the airport so that it is able to accommodate the capacity that it needs in maybe 10, 20, 30 years from now, but that it's also an efficient operation now from the start, from the moment it opens. Well, I think everybody that is involved in aviation somehow gets hooked, and everybody stays involved in aviation because it's a really dynamic industry. It's obviously very international. It's highly regulated, which makes it challenging, but it's also highly technology driven, so that makes it really interesting from a development point of view. There's so many things to love about aviation. It's the thrill of flying, it's the being involved with traveling, with facilitating passenger journeys, and also to think about the wider impact that it has. If you're developing an airport, you're really doing something meaningful for a region and for an economy. It's not a small thing. So it's really exciting to be involved with developments like this. So this development, I think, offers a great opportunity to integrate sustainability and sustainable thinking into the development from the start. Globally, we're seeing a huge trend towards decarbonization and even net zero operations. So that's something that we really want to bring to the development from the onset. And also we believe that the future of aviation is changing rapidly. New aviation technologies, things like hydrogen-powered aircraft, e-flight, and sustainable aviation fuels. So these are all things that we will take along in the development from the start. So by integrating the airport into the environment, into the urban context, and making sure that it's well connected to the city and to the region, we can really make this airport part of a whole passenger journey. So it won't be just a place where planes take off and land. It'll be a pleasant part of your travel experience from home to your destination.